What's going on, everybody? Big John here from Big John Tech Reviews. Just want to take a minute to let everyone know I'm coming back. Check out the spot right in the middle of Batman's head. So this is what I'm doing for the time being, folks. This is a temporary setup. There's my Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 phone that made it with me out of the fire. That's my S10 Plus. There's my new A51 5G. Had it for a couple months now. Soundcore Liberty Pro 2 earbuds. Behind it, it's got the Galaxy S Buds Plus. It's my Batman knife. There's my Note 10 Plus right here. There's my new, get my finger straight. There's my new Galaxy Ultra S21 Ultra. Speaking thin fit case for it. So just wanted to bring this to you and let you know that I'm on my way back in. It's going to take me a while to get going. I'm getting some stuff together. We'll be talking with everybody soon. And as I always like to say to my friends, we'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks, everybody.